Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see how we can create the product scheme and how we can disburse loan to the borrower. So just have a look. So from the master setup, I will go to the product scheme. So here you can see I have created multiple product scheme. So for example, if I select daily collection scheme, so here you can see daily collection at the rate of interest 0.2% daily, interest with principal. You can select any method according to your business. So for 180 days and at the interval 1. So here in a lump sum interest I have mentioned 1000 lump sum interest. Now let's search one customer from the search bar. So this is Sandeep Singh. Now let's go to the loan. So here I will select this daily collection scheme and just enter the amount. So let's say 10,000 and just calculate. So here you can see 62 monthly installment and 1000 is the projected interest. So if I change the principal amount for let's say 20,000. So according to that installment amount is 117. So here you can just change the installment start date and disbursement date. So for let's say the disbursement date is 24th of April and the installment start date is same date 24th of April. Now I will just save this loan. So from the customer loan approval, so I will go to the new request. So from here we can just approve this and change the status. Then in approved section, just you can disburse this loan by cash or bank. So let's say cash and disburse manually. So loan number 18 is created. Now let's search this loan number 18 from the search bar. So here you can see 20,000 principal amount, 1000 is the interest and total this much. So if I go to the installment tracker, you can check daily installment is created, principal 111 and interest is 6. So this tracker you can see and you can track the installment according to this. So here penalty is also charged because I have created this as a backdated. So on the 24th of April. Now today is 26th of April. So two installments are due. So according to that 351 on the due amount, outstanding amount, the auto penalty is calculated. So if I go to the, just close this installment tracker and if I go to the configuration, so here you can see penalty I have charged 3%. So according to that, that penalty is automatically calculated. So for let's say the customer is paying 300 by cash or bank. So let's select cash and just receive. So if I go to the installment tracker, you can check. So here you can check two installment we have received successfully and third installments 51 is due. So this type we can manage product scheme and loan disbursement very easy way. So thank you friends for watching this video and have a great day.